my secret Forex trading scalping indicator that I use to trade the Forex market. Guys, this indicator is nothing special, but it gets the job done, and it has been life changing for the way I trade, and I've been able to get funded with my first fund, FTMO. And guys, it's been a blessing, guys. So guys, watch the end of this video so you don't miss out on any important details I'll be dropping down in this video, because I'll be giving you guys the settings I use, the indicators, and all those good stuff. So the first indicator I use is called the supply demand zone. So if you come up to this indicators section here, you just search for supply demand zone. You will see the supply demand with the capital all caps zone by Bitcoin Jesus. It has 1,264 favorites or users, whatever. So you just click that, and it's gonna come up on your charts. So click on the wheels tool, the settings, and just customize it to your preference, because I personally like to use this settings. So with this bar color, I like to use the bullish candlestick with this blue colors, and I like to use the bearish candlestick with this yellow color. So this is one indicator I use. It helps me find supply and demand zone in the market. As you can see, the blue indicates a bullish momentum, like a demand in the market, which is, you can see demand here. You can also see demand here. Guys, you can look at this. This is a very helpful tool. It helps you find supply and demand in the market without you even lifting a finger. This is supply, this is supply. Guys, you can see how easy it is using this indicator. So the next indicator I'll be pointing out now is going to be the session indicator. So you come to this indicators box and you search for session, and you can see it has just session, plain session, like nothing attached to it. You could use this other one. I like to use this one sometimes, it depends, but I personally like to use this one. So when you click on it, you can just customize it to your preference and how you like to use it. I personally like to turn off this Asian section, because I really don't use it for that much of a deal, so I like to just turn that off. And I like to just turn on the New York and the London session. Sometimes I only turn on the London session because I mostly trade London session. So guys, that's the other one. Then the next one is FVG by Nephew Sam. Come to the indicator session and you search for FVG. You see this FVG brackets Nephew Sam, and it has 2,822 users or likes, whatever. Then click on it, add it to your charts. I didn't do any settings on this one at all. I just let it run. Let me see, FVG on 15 minutes, FVG and okay. So I think this is trying to point out where the guys, honestly, I am just discovering this out now. Like this is gonna be this is interesting, guys. I just discovered that you can turn on the 15 minutes FVG could be showing on your chart here. So I personally like to just turn on this 1 hour FVG zone to help me point out my 1 hour FVG zone, so I can go to the 3-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, and still see where the 1 hour FVG zone. As you can see, it has this H1 FVG attached to it, so that's pretty interesting, honestly. So I'm going to turn that off for now. And I also use this indicator called EMA, 200 EMA line. Sometimes it depends on the strategy I'm trying to trade for that day. It just helps me separate price in two. As when price is above, I know it's going to be a buying phase. If price is below, I know it's going to be a selling phase. So I only turn this one on when I want to see see the market bias or something. And I have this, I think I had this an ATR indicator down here. I removed that already. I had an ATR indicator just to point out the volatility in price on each candlestick, or the last 14 candlesticks. Watch the next video showing up now so that you can get full details on my strategies and me turning 10